got some nice chunky earwax plugs coming up in today's video, guys. My name is Rhys Barber. I'm one of the audiologists here at Audiology Associates. So you can see in this first ear canal, it's completely blocked. There's no gap around this wax whatsoever. So we're going to have to take this away now. You can see we've got the standard sized Zollner tube in here. I'm just lifting, and I've got some movement to this plug straight away, which is great. But now I've hit a little bit of a snag because the plug is actually lots of bits that are really closely packed together. But as I'm trying to pull this down, because they've got this long sort of plug in pieces in there, I'm struggling to get this around the bends. So we're going to get rid of this first section. There we go. You can see most of that is a very soft wax, quite a bit of keratin in there as well, a very thin keratin layer. So we're just going to take this next section away. Now this is purely wax, this next section, but we can see there's no obvious gap around there at all. What we're going to get out, just broke away. What we're going to get away is quite a sort of crumbly, is the word I was trying to say, but wide piece of wax. So it almost completely forms to the shape of the ear canal. There we go. Oh, look, I busted a heart. So it's coming away, and it's just bringing this out now. There we go. Out that bit comes. Let's take a look behind that. There we go. And the next section here. Now this is the widest bit. This is the chunkiest bit of wax that's going to come away. Nice wide plug there, that one. We'll just tidy up a little bit of hoovering up. I know this drives the devil into the American audience when I say hoovering. It's a big thing in the UK. We all say hoovering. I didn't realize it's just a brand name, obviously, but you don't call it that in the US. Vacuuming, I think you call it. So it's coming away. There we go. Look at this one. This isn't quite so blocked up, but I did say to the patient, look, you have got some wax in this side. It's not completely blocking the ear canal at the moment. I can remove it if you want, but they were due to go on holiday. They were worried that if they get in a pool, anything like that, it's going to block them up. But look at this. Look at that. That is a chunky plug, that one. So that's come away really well. A little bit of tidying up around the outside edge here. Just taking these looser pieces away. There we go. Not going to have any impact on the hearing, this bit, but just nice to take it away sometimes. There we are. You can see the eardrum looking lovely and healthy. So we've got 2.5 centimeters, 1 1/16 of an inch there, guys. If you don't forget, if you have ear problems yourself, make sure you check out the link to it in the description. Book yourself an appointment with myself with the lovely Mr. Taylor Green. I'll put a video up here if you're watching this on YouTube. You can go and check that one out. That's another big plug video, so go and have a look at that one. But as always, guys, take care of yourselves, take care of your ears, and take care of one another. And we'll see you again real soon. Bye, everyone.